So dear students, there was the problem in internet and hope each of you have filled your attendance. So I am no more accepting the response. So dear students, please quickly join. Now everybody have started joining now. Okay. Just wait for a few more seconds so that everybody can join and we can restart our class. Still we have 15 minutes. So we have 15 minutes, still we can discuss some points. So now since we know that how many type of now we know how many kinds of the scientific documents are there. So suppose you are doing your dissertation work and you think or your guide think that your work have some scientific importance and your work should be published in any journal, right? So that if anyone search your name on the Google, he or she may get to know about you or to know about your work, right? You want to contribute in the science. So what should be the workflow? What are the various steps? By using that, you also can get publish your work. So that I'm going to explain you. That is workflow of a journal. So see, what will be the workflow? Number one point, you just see here. The status of manuscript or flow in journal means first of all what you will do, you will try to find out first of all that what is the suitable journal, right? Why I am saying is what is the suitable journal, because you know that there is a lot of subjects, the engineering, the mathematics, the physics, biology, microbiology, right? Pharmacy, commerce management, lot of subjects are there, and for each and every subject there is the different journals. So definitely first of all you have to focus yourself that how many journals are there for your subjects, and especially not only subject, which are the journal which accept your kind of research, whatever on which topic you have worked. Suppose you are working with the say suppose lipase producing bacteria, right? So lipase producing bacteria, you have some isolated, do some fantastic work on the lipase producing bacteria. You know already lipase, some microorganisms are producing the lipase, and the lipase have the industrial value. If you use that lipase in the detergent, so if in a cloth any kind of the oil is there, that is going to be dissolved. So in all your detergents, lipase are there, right? So if you have done any kind of the fantastic work being a microbiologist on the lipase producing bacteria, we want to get it published, then definitely first of all you have to search the biological journals. And in the biological journals, how many journals are there? Which are the journals are there who accept the your kind of research work? जैसा आपने काम किया है ऐसे कौन से जर्नल्स हैं जो उस पर रिलेटेड रिसर्च को एक्सेप्ट करता है फॉर द पब्लिकेशन? तो उसके लिए आपको क्या करना पड़ेगा बच्चों? उसके लिए उस जर्नल की वेबसाइट पे जाना पड़ेगा। और जर्नल के बारे में कैसे पता चलेगा आपको? जर्नल के बारे में आज मैं आपको एट द एंड ऑफ द लेक्चर आपको आपका आपने जो वर्क किया है ना, उससे रिलेटेड आप कैसे जर्नल फाइंड आउट करोगे, तो उससे रिलेटेड मैं आपको एक वीडियो देने वाला हूं कि आपने जो वर्क अपना कर लिया है, आपका जर्नल जो है, आपका जो वर्क है वो कौन से जर्नल के लिए सुटेबल है, ये पता करने के लिए आई हैव रिकॉर्डेड अ वीडियो. आई विल सेंड इट इन द योर ग्रुप. यू प्लीज डू watch it. You will come to know that how to select different type of the journals. You please do watch, because tomorrow, tomorrow I am again going to take the lecture. So before that, you should know that how to select a particular journal. Just like no, suppose you are the requirement of a T-shirt. You want the T-shirt, right? So T-shirt, how you will decide which T-shirt I have to buy? Because once you go in the market, thousands of brands are there, right? So based on the brand, you will you suppose you want the brand as Levi's. So you want the T-shirt of Levi's, and everybody can't afford the Levi's, right? Maybe someone go for the other brands, and depends on the kind of the need, how much budget you have, how much money you want to invest. So based on all these, you choose the you select the company, right? Based on that, you buy your clothes. So likewise, which kind of work, what quality of work you have, right? Based on that, you have to take the decision in which journal you should go for the publication, you should approach for the publication. Whether it is going to be published or not, it's a secondary thing. That journal will decide. That is not in your hand. So once you will send to the manuscript to the journal, there is the technical check. Technical check means what? In the technical check, automatically, just like no, I will let you know, I will show you practically also how to submit a particular journal, a particular research paper in a journal. So that's simply just like in the Facebook, you are creating your user ID and password. Once your user and password is with you, you can post anything on the Facebook. Likewise, the website of the journals are there. There you can create your user ID and password, log in with the help of the user ID and password, and you can submit your, you can browse and upload your paper, right? So automatically your paper, your manuscript will be reaching to the office of journal. They will do the technical checking. Technical checking means whatever language you have written, suppose English, so whether it is grammatically correct or not, some discrepancies there, and whatever the thing, there is a guideline for each available with each and every journal, right? And the guideline, they say that whatever you write, that should be in Times New Roman, the size of the font should be 12, the heading size be this one, the subheading size should be this one, the size of the images whatever you are putting in the paper, that should be this one, this size. So all the technical check will be done, and then if they found that there is the technical check, there is the technical problem in your manuscript, they will send it to back with the comments that to do these corrections, these are the things which are lacking in your report, make the corrections and resubmit. Got it? And if the technical check, in the technical check everything is fine, the technical, there is no technical error, so that will be sent to editorial board. Now in the editorial board, the researchers, the scientists, they will, that paper will be sent to the editorial board. Many people are there, so they will look after your paper. Some editorial board member is there, so he will check that whatever work is there, that will suit the policy of the journal. Means suppose some journal is there, I told you about the research related with the microRNA. So they will check that whether your work, whatever work you have done on the microRNA, whether such type of report they publish in their journal or not. So if they found wrongly you choose the journal, right? Wrongly they choose the journal, and that journal does not accept the kind of the paper you have done in your the type of work you have done in your paper, they will reject you, and they will mail to you that your whatever work you are doing, you have done, that does not suits the policy of the journal, so you can approach to another journal. All right, did you understand everything? In case, if accepted, if they found that your work is suitable to the journal, if everything is fantastic, they will accept it and your paper will be published. By the way, if it is not up to the mark, a reviewer will give the comments that it is not right, your will be rejected. And if a reviewer give the comment that if you do this all these few points, if you also include in your work, then your work will be uh, you can you will be able to publish your work. So revision, if they say and you revise it, the revision may be two things: the minor revision, short revision, or the major revision. Then you do the major or minor revision, then you resubmit, then reviewer again will see. If they are satisfied, your work will be accepted and your paper will be published. So this is the what flow in journal. So now, since very few students have joined the post session class, so what I do, I can stop now, and I am going to share a video. You just do watch it, that how to select a particular journal for your publication. And for further lecture, see you tomorrow at the same time. Till then, take care, have a nice day.